Stop by and take a look at the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.